What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Jack Skellington from A Nightmare Before Christmas. Now you want to begin today's lesson on the top center of our page and draw two ovals in an angle for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top. Just going to come down toward the left, come up and just close off the top. Now let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right side, just flipped over. Let's line up the top, bring this down toward the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a thick bevel on the outside of the eyes. I'm going to start from the top, come all the way around the bottom, and just pull that in, and then do the same thing on the right. I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's go in between the eyes and draw two small ovals for the nostrils. There's one on the left, one on the right, and we'll fill those in black. Now just up above the nostrils, we're going to add a small curve for the bridge of the nose, going up and down. Now with the eyes in place, let's move out to the side and draw the bottom edge of the hat. We're going to start on the left side. I'm just going to bend this up above the eyes, go across, bring that across, and then down towards the right. Now I want to tuck the beard in underneath the hat going on top of the face. So from the edge of the hat brim, we're going to step in, draw a half oval. We're going to come down toward the bottom, round this out, go across, and then up on the right. And then from the inside of the beard, let's add a curve. Coming down across the mouth, and then back up. Let's step in along the side and draw the bottom edge of the mouth. We're going to come down, and then back up. And we'll close off the bottom of the head, starting back on the left, come down in the middle, go across and up. Let's add a couple stitches on the corners of the mouth with two angled lines. And then across the top of the mouth, we're just going to add these small lines going across and just varying the gap in between. Let's do the same thing across the bottom of the mouth. I'm just going to angle these out. Let's add a row of teeth along the top. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, coming down and up. Just going to repeat this coming in. Let's leave a gap and add a couple going across the middle. Add a couple on the right side. Now I'm going to do the same thing across the bottom. Just going to add a couple teeth on the left and then the right. Now I'm going to go back in and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth. Now from here we're going to draw the outside of the beard. Let's start from the corner of the hat. Just going to bend this out. And bend that in towards the middle. Now I just want to curl this around back towards the left side, going out. Let's go over towards the right side. Bend this out. Come in. I'm just going to bend this down and curl that up towards the point. Let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the hat brim. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a series of curves going around and up. Now you can vary the size, going a little bit bigger and then smaller. Now I'm just going to work our way around towards the right side. Then on the end, we're just going to bring this back in towards the side of the head. Now in behind the head on the right side, we're going to draw a ball with that same texture. We're going to start from the top. Going to work our way around. Just drawing that ball, coming back in. Let's draw on the outside of the hat. We're going to start over on the left side, and bend this up, and then in towards the middle. Let's bend this out, and then down towards the right. It's going to come down and then bend that out towards that ball. Now on the right side of the head, we're just going to curve this up and then in to create a fold. Go back on top of the ball, bend this in and up in behind that fold. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the body. We're going to start in between the chin and the beard, add a half circle for the neck. From the side of the neck, bend this down and then out in behind the beard. Now this curve is going to continue underneath the beard, going down and then out towards the bottom of the coat. Go to the right side, continue along the bottom, going out. Let's taper that back in underneath the beard. Now we're going to continue working down towards the legs. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the ankle. Go to the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's round this out, coming down and then up on either side. Now I want to bend this up and in underneath the beard on both sides. Let's close off the bottom of the coat, starting from this point, bend this in and then up underneath the legs. Now I want to add a thick cuff around the ankles. From this point, we're going to step up and draw an oval, going all the way around the leg and back in on the inside, and then do the same thing on the right. From the inside of the cuff, bend the foot, going out and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, bend this down and then up. Let's go to the outside of the foot. We're going to bend this up, round out the foot, and bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then from the outside of the cuff, angle this down and out on top of the feet. Now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet, taking this curve, stepping up, and just tracing it across on both sides. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the arms stretched out towards the side. Let's start from the left side of the beard, angle this down and out towards the elbow, line this up on the right, coming down and out towards the same height. Now from the elbow, we're just going to bend the arm, going out and then up towards the cuff. Let's layer a thick cuff around the wrist. We're going to step out, come in, and then up towards the beard. Now I'm going to work our way around the inside of the arm. From this point, we're going to step out, bend this down and then in towards the elbow. And we'll create an overlap, stepping up, angling this up and in behind the beard. Now I want to continue the top of the arm in between the beard and the head with a straight angled line. Let's round out the side of the cuff, almost like a large bracket on either side. In between these two lines, add a curve, coming down and up, leaving a gap on either side. And now we're going to place the hands inside the cuff. From the outside, bend this up and out towards the palm. Bend the palm going out and then down towards the first finger. Let's bend the first finger going up, round out the finger, and then come down and then in. Let's round out the back of the hand, pull that up, aiming towards the edge of the palm. I'm going to step back, draw a straight angle line coming in behind the cuff. Let's wrap that cuff in behind the side of the wrist. Now I'm going to layer two more fingers on either side. Starting from the side, we're going to go up, round out the finger, come down, and then in, and we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up and in, and then we'll do that one more time. Now along the top of the palm, we're going to draw a curve for the thumb, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Jack Skellington from A Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.